Kingsview Minerals Ltd, trading under the ticker symbol KVM on the CSE. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to introduce Kingsview Minerals Ltd, a mineral exploration company listed on the Canadian Securities Exchange, CSE, under the ticker symbol KVM since February 24, 2022. Kingsview Minerals is focused on gold exploration, with its flagship Hubcap project located in the prolific Wawa Gold Corridor in Ontario, Canada. Kingsview Minerals is dedicated to exploring its gold properties, including the Hubcap project, which covers 13,056 hectares and is strategically located adjacent to Alamos Island Gold Mine and Argonaut's Magino Gold Deposit. The property includes greenstones and banded iron formations, with numerous exploration targets identified. The Hubcap project is situated in a highly prospective area, adjacent to major gold mines, and covers significant geological features. With its vast size and promising geological characteristics, the Hubcap project presents a compelling opportunity for Kingsview Minerals. In addition to the Hubcap project, Kingsview Minerals also holds the Hubcap project, which covers 2,239 hectares of greenstones. The Hubcap project is known for its 9 parallel gold-bearing quartz veins, which have seen historical work. Importantly, all gold-bearing quartz veins remain open at depth, suggesting significant potential for further exploration and discovery. Kingsview Minerals is strategically positioned with its projects in the Wawa Gold Corridor, surrounded by advanced infrastructure and near major gold deposits. This provides the company with a strong foundation for exploration success and potential future development. As Kingsview Minerals continues to advance its exploration efforts at the Hubcap and Hubcap projects, there is significant potential for the discovery of valuable gold deposits. With a strong focus on exploration and a strategic location, Kingsview Minerals is well positioned for growth in the dynamic gold mining industry. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into Kingsview Minerals and explore why it's an exciting opportunity in the world of mineral exploration. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the mining industry and exciting investment opportunities. Canadians get a free $25 when they fund a Wealth Simple account. Use my referral code, IEFBWW, to get paid and help out the channel. Terms and conditions apply.